had a dream once that I was at school and the bell just rang for the last class so we could finally leave dismissal. Best period in the school day, dismissal. I have AP dismissal, by the way. I leave on a private jet. It was finally dismissal, but I had to stay a little bit for this class. And after realizing I didn't want to miss my bus, I skipped down the stairs, going. And then, as I'm on the last floor to leave the school, there's an administrator right there, and she's not happy. She's mad at me because I was skipping down the steps, like running down the steps for some reason. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea to have in my dream, but she says, "Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? You're not supposed to do that." And my slick self, I said, "Oh, I didn't know. I'm sorry." Just played it like, "Oh, I didn't know. I didn't know the rules. I'm sorry. I'll do better next time." And then she let me go because I'm just like that. And then I almost missed my bus. My bus was literally on the stop sign, about to turn to the road and leave. And I actually made it to my bus stop. I made it in the bus and I was able to go home nice. And boom, amazing day. All right, I'm going to be honest. I'm not sure how to relate that to the story, but it's just a funny little story. I had a dream like that, and it kind of happens like that in school. So, here are some 5 things you need to do in school. The first thing you need to do is skip down the stairs in school. Use your time wisely in school because even though, yeah, it takes up 9 hours of our day and we hate it, and everybody in there is terrible, and we're not like all of them, we're better. We still have to realize that, like, we can't use that as an excuse to not achieve the things we want to do. We still have to be somewhat productive in school and make something out of it. If you want to be more productive in school, but so much homework's in the way, this and this is in the way, the second thing you have to do in school is to become a cat. And what I mean by that is be a copycat. The reason why it's so weird, it's so crazy to think this, but the reason why is because a lot of the things in school, like, they aren't that helpful. I'm sorry, I hate to say this, but no, I actually don't hate to say this. I don't care. Sometimes, if it wasn't for the people, shout out to the people who give me answers. If it weren't for them, I would literally have an E in math. I would literally be failing this class. I'd be having a C in this class when I literally have all A's and B's. Because all I do is just, hey, do you have this for this homework in math? Oh, yeah, sure, I got it here. Thank you. And then boom, you get it and you're done and you did it in 10 minutes. You don't have to think about it. Just change it up a little, like they always say. And then boom, you're able to be a lot more productive and you're able to use your school hours to more of your liking. Which the third thing you have to do in school is to complete all your work. Because you don't want, the worst feeling is when you have so much homework and schoolwork to do at home. Make all that homework, schoolwork, make all that schoolwork done in school. Don't procrastinate, don't be lazy, don't go on your phone. Be productive with something when you're just scrolling on Instagram. Actually make something out of the school hours and try to get it to the most of your ability. While everyone else is just scrolling, not doing anything, you can actually finish the work and maybe even get someone else to do it for you. And then ask for the answers, and then boom, you do it in school. You don't have to worry about it. You're able to have the few hours that you have at home, actually use it for the better and apply it to improve your life and develop yourself, like all of them do not do. The fourth thing you need to do in school is to have fun, and it kind of sounds counterintuitive of what I've been saying, like do all the work and have do this and this, but when you have more fun and you put yourself out there more, you're able to level up your skills, which is one of the main things I feel like is so valuable about school. You're put in a social situation where you can use the skills you learn and the knowledge that you've learned and built up to actually implement it in real life, whether it's in school or another public place. School is a great way to level up those habits by talking to more people, putting yourself out there more. Like, it's honestly not as complicated and detailed as you might think it is. Just put yourself out there more, ask more questions, raise your hand more, call out, like, make people laugh, have fun in school. So many years of my middle school and even some of high school, I just did nothing. I just sat there watching everyone talk and have fun, waiting for them to include me when I could have just easily included myself. And when they do, they actually like it. So don't think that nobody likes you and nobody wants you to do this and this, because if you put yourself out there more and you don't be like a weirdo who's just like, hey guys, so what do you think about meditating? Like, you'll actually get people to like you. And the next thing you need to do in school and even in home, you could literally do it right now, which will level yourself up more and surround yourself with a like-minded community, is to join my Discord community. It's in the description, it's free. I'll be in there sometimes too, giving you value, and you could learn so much from school. I'm thinking of doing like a call every week, every day even maybe, where we can just talk about school, talk about what's going on in our lives, and we can give each other value and feedback and help each other and have that communication that we need to develop ourselves. Because it's so easy to forget how badly we need social interaction. And when you finally get it, it just feels amazing. You feel so illuminated and lit up in your body because you're just talking to someone online for a minute. So join that right now. Say hi, say what's up. I'll literally respond to you. If you want me to respond to you, just say hi in the group chat Discord and I'll literally say hi to you. So yeah, if you found this video helpful or interesting, you found the right channel. Click and watch this video right here. Subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting more beneficial videos to help you and help you develop in school every single day. Like this video if you liked it. Do these things in school next time you're in school, and I'm gonna work so I use the few hours I have in school productively. So I'll see you later. Peace.